Clean Garage exclusive unboxing video on the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light and EXO V4 Complete Coating Kit. Available exclusively at the Clean Garage. We work with our friends at Gtechniq to build these custom kits with all of our favorite products to properly install and maintain their two-step coating Crystal Serum Light and EXO V4. This kit was designed for both enthusiasts doing their own coating and professional detailers who can gift the bottle of C2 and towels to their customer to maintain the coating they installed. The 30ml bottles provide enough product to coat most small to medium-sized cars when properly installed. If you have a larger vehicle, we have a 50ml kit available as well. Our kit includes 30ml Crystal Serum Light with gloves and applicator, 30ml EXO V4 with gloves and applicator, 250ml panel wipe with spray top, 250ml C2 V3 liquid crystal with spray top, and 5 MF1 0R buff microfiber towels. Packed, of course, in a custom Gtechniq and the Clean Garage box with a coupon for your next order. Hit that like button and remember to subscribe. Crystal Serum Light is an excellent DIY standalone coating offering unparalleled gloss and gloss retention through its superb resistant to wash swirls. However, its water repellent falls short of what EXO has to offer. Therefore, if you want the best for your car, remarkable swirl resistance and water repellency, then this kit certainly is for you. Panel wipe is in a class of its own for removing polish and other residues, ensuring that your CSL bonds perfectly to your paint. C2 liquid crystal is the revolutionary way to make your car, boat, plane, or RV shine and stay clean longer, thanks to Gtechniq's smart surface science. This is our favorite topper for the ceramic coated cars. It can be applied wet or dry and wipes right off with minimal buffing. We suggest using it every 3 to 6 months to keep a top coat of protection on your coating. This short pile, warp knit 300 GSM 40 by 40 centimeter high polymade content cloth is an optimum cloth for removing residues from delicate high gloss surfaces. We hope you like this unboxing video. Please check us out at clean-garage.com. Remember to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Good clean fun.